Well guys, it's 7:52 in the morning in Flagstaff still. I guess we sprung a leak in the camper. Our hot water heater, the cold inlet is leaking water. So I'm en route to an O'Reilly's that's like 4 minutes away to pick up a new clamp, and hopefully that fixes it. When I'm out, I'm gonna see if I can find some breakfast. I got some Wicked AZ coffee from a little hole in the wall. Then I went around the corner, went to Village Bakery Goods.
Hi, Dada.
Hi, buddy.
He just woke up.
I got cinnamon roll for you. And then we also got the clamps that I need, spare clamps to have. This is called the emergency clamp kit.
Oh, that's my toy.
And then I got some pliers because I'm gonna need to cut the other one off.
So what are you trying to do? Just reclamp it?
No, take the clamp off and put my own.
So reclamp it.
Yes. Reclamping means using the same that's already on there, Mama.
Okay, reclamp it with the new clamp.
Yes. So we fixed the issue. Faulty clamp, factory clamp. Went ahead and swapped it out for an O'Reilly's edition, just a hand tight one, but I was able to get it tighter than the original because these are like single use ones. So went ahead and put one of those and we are set. No more leaking.
Pineapple.
A pineapple.
All right, so we are stopping we're still in Arizona, and we're stopping to get a tire like we were supposed to get on the way to California, but we chose not to because we couldn't find one. But yeah, the tire's still acting up. The one tire we've had issues with, which is
in
the rear
1.8 miles, turn right.
It's running about 20 degrees difference than all the other tires, and we're just afraid that it's gonna go pop. And we don't need that. And then it's right underneath our shower, and we actually have heard people that pop their tire and the slinging around tire destroys the undercarriage, and that for our undercarriage that would be our shower bed or a shower pan, and we don't need that. So we're gonna stop and get a tire swapped out. They said they have one here, so we'll see how this goes. Okay, want to see them put the store inside and see what they're about. So it's a great thing that we stopped, because we are showing metal in the tire. Bad. Came to this side to check this tire out, and we have a fat old bubble here. I don't know if you can kind of see it, and that's ready to go. Look. Big old bubble. She warped, so that means she got too hot or it broke a band on the inside, and that's a soft point, so that was ready to pop too. But the other side was more scary with the metal showing. Great thing we stopped then. He has 6 in stock. He said just do the 2 rears. We should be fine with the 2 rears. He said the 2 fronts look pretty good. So
Cool.
we're gonna do 2 rears.
Are you gonna get an extra one?
Probably should. I don't know. He said the one on the rear is brand new. He said keep that spare. Because that's crazy. I've never, like, I mean, I've seen that before, but I've never seen it. He said do not run them at max PSI like the tire tells you to. He said run them lower and then run them until it makes it to max PSI. So I've been running like 57, 58 to run 65 PSI because of the temperature. So he said I've been doing good, but I did not see that on the other side. That's
crazy.
That would have been really bad. We made it to New Mexico. We were just now entering New Mexico. We're about to enter into the first city called Gallup. And we're sitting here fighting crosswinds. It has been a battle. And as soon as we hit New Mexico, it was crosswind after crosswind. So we're toned it down a little bit. We're going 60 miles an hour and we're on our way to McDonald's. Somebody in the back seat wanted McDonald's, but I can eat that.
And the front seat.
I could eat that too, I said. It's stop number 4 or 5 of the day. We can't get rolling today. I think we've only traveled like 2 hours today. I'm ready to roll, and I look down, we only got 90 miles to eat. So again, we're stopping. I had a flying J that we stopped at in Jamestown on the way in, so it's been a busy day. I don't even feel like I've driven. Like, that's a good feeling. Like,
No, I said mine.
I need help.
That's a lot of food.
Best pizza in town.
You've entered the parking lot for your destination. Arrived.
Alright, Papa. Well, guys, we made it to our campsite for the night. We're in Santa Rosa, New Mexico. Like an hour and a half, probably 2 to the border. We're staying at a Love's campsite for the night. We went ahead and unhooked. We went and got fuel for tomorrow morning. So as soon as we wake up, we should be ready to roll. No questions asked. So we'll go ahead and hit the hay tonight and see where we pick up tomorrow. This elevation's throwing me off.
Let's go get a snack so we can go to Big Texan.
Some Big Texan. Everybody, hopefully they have some spots.
At a Cherokee
Casino.
And Raymond's gonna go in and see how much he has to spend so he can stay here.
I'm gonna spend money either way.